Hey, Tia, hit me up when you're free. I want to meet you really urgently. Oh, what happened? Actually, I was on a Europe trip with my friends, but I didn't tell my parents about that, as I knew they would never give me permission for that. So I lied that I was on a study tour with you. So please help me with the lies. I have cold feet about it, please. Oh, don't worry at all. I'll keep it all under wraps. After all, you're my bestie. Everything will be fine. Oh, you're so kind. You have a heart of gold. Thank you. So friends, today we learned 4 new expressions that you can use and sound more like a native speaker. So the first expression was to hit me up or to hit someone up. It means to contact or ask someone for something. As an example, we can say hit me up later. The second expression was to have cold feet. It means to become frightened to do something. For an example, we can say, I was about to do bungee jumping, but I got cold feet at the end, so I couldn't. Now, the third expression was to keep something under wraps. It means to keep something a secret. As an example, they tried to keep the reports under wraps. Now, the fourth and the last expression was to have a heart of gold. It means to be a very kind person. As an example, she has a heart of gold. So, I hope that you learn these new expressions today, and in your future conversations, you'll use these nuanced expressions to sound more advanced and more like a native speaker. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also leave your comments. I love to read them and they motivate me a lot. So, bye bye. I'll meet you soon in the next video.